Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's about 8:30 in the morning here in Cambodia, Phnom Penh, just outside a monastery. Just thought I'd do a quick vlog, just showing like the morning traffic, what happens or not what happens at 8:30. Yeah, so we'll just go for a little trek. It's actually quite interesting how they've done this cement work here. I noticed the other day, like in here, like they've used rebar to make a indentation there. So that's pretty cool. Like I've noticed that pretty much all over the place here. Like here, like they don't actually have it, but noticed it pretty much everywhere. Yeah, we'll just show this monastery here. Actually, we'll just show a laneway there. Like there's heaps of these ma and pa shops around. But there's plenty of these temples around. I went into a couple. I filmed one the other day. Like they're very similar to the Thai style. I think with the Thai style and the Cambodian style, I think a lot more actually gets repaired, and they do a lot more work over in Thailand on the actual building and all the work around it. There's some monks there. Here's like a little place here. That looks cool. That'd be nice in your garden. Like the gold paint they use in Thailand, I think is a bit more brighter as well. But it adds to the charm. I quite like the way stuff looks when it's a bit older. Okay, here's a cool little statue as well. That's actually solid, actually. Yeah. So we'll just go for a wander around the streets. One thing is, like, you really got to be careful crossing the roads, especially if you're used to traffic running the other way. A couple of times I've had a close call, or two or three, but just adds to the adventure being overseas. I think that's a police vehicle there. Haven't really seen too many like police around. Like they are around, obviously. Like there's heaps of private security I've noticed outside buildings, especially banks as well. But there's a lot more poverty here, as I've said in like the other vlogs I've done. It's quite interesting how they have these vehicles here. Like they mount them on to a scooter here, and then they can take you for a ride. I haven't tried one of them. I've been in tuk-tuks. I was thinking of trying a rickshaw actually today. I reckon that would make some good footage. Here's that 24-hour Kiwi Mart there. They've got a very interesting variety in there. Like the funny thing about it, I noticed a lot of Australian wines in there as well. Yeah, I used to like a drop of wine when I used to drink. Here's like some street food here. Looks like fruit. Yeah, we won't film there. Oh yeah, here's some sandwiches. Very, very interesting. Yeah, sadly I don't know all the pronunciations of things, so I apologise for that. Hopefully a few people enjoy this style. There's those Ma and Pa shops. I know in Australia, going back over the last 20 years, a lot of the Ma and Pa delicatessens, like we call them, or actual deli or milk bar, a lot of them are like shut up shop, and a lot of the service stations actually took over as well. But yeah, if you got like a local milk bar in your state or wherever you live, just make sure you support them, help them out, because the service stations tend to get all the money, you know, because you can go buy your fuel there, and then you buy your milk, cigarettes if you smoke, I guess, bread. A lot of the delis, obviously, like, they didn't sell fuel. So when you go and fill up your car, you're more inclined to just do like one stop. I've had a few friends over the years whose parents have owned shops, but they luckily sold up. Yeah, here's like the power lines. Very similar to Thailand. Trying to remember if Bali was like this as well. I know their footpaths weren't the best there. Like a past girlfriend and I went over to Bali many moons ago, obviously. And we were walking one night, and she fell in a hole. Like I think it was just a twisted ankle, but she kept walking. But she had a massive bruise on her leg. Like, she was a bit pissed at the time as well, but sorry, I was just clearing my throat. Alright, we'll wrap this video up anyway. But hopefully someone's enjoyed. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but this is just a street view. And we'll see you on the next episode.